White smoke pouring from your diesel exhaust. Should you worry right now? Today, I am explaining what white smoke can mean and what you should do next. Most drivers miss one key fact. Not all white smoke means disaster. Some types are harmless, while others warn of serious engine damage already happening. Knowing the difference can save you from a simple repair, turning into a full engine replacement. Start with the harmless version. If you see light white smoke, more like steam, on a cold morning, and it fades after a few minutes, that is often normal condensation. Moisture inside the exhaust system evaporates as the engine warms up. Usually, there is nothing to fear, but if the smoke stays thick, keeps coming, or carries a strong odor, you need attention fast. One common cause is unburned diesel fuel passing through the exhaust. That happens when the combustion chamber is not hot enough to burn fuel correctly. Think of trying to start a fire with wet wood. It will not ignite properly. Bad fuel injectors are often the main reason. These parts must spray fuel at the exact time and in the right pattern. When they fail, they may dump too much fuel into the cylinder or spray late, sending raw diesel out as white smoke. Injection timing problems can do the same thing. Diesel engines depend on precise timing to compress air until it reaches the proper temperature before fuel enters. If timing is off by only a few degrees, combustion suffers. Low compression is another major cause. Worn piston rings, damaged valves, or cylinder wear can reduce compression below the level needed to ignite diesel fuel. Without enough compression, the engine cannot create the heat needed to fire the mixture. Another warning sign comes with smell. If the white smoke smells sweet, like antifreeze, coolant may be entering the combustion chamber. That often points to a blown head gasket, or cracks in the cylinder head, or engine block. Coolant burning with fuel creates dense white smoke, and that sweet odor. Keep driving like this, and internal damage can grow quickly. Check your oil dipstick. If it looks milky or frothy, contamination is possible. You may also notice coolant dropping with no visible leaks, or oily residue near the radiator cap. Cold weather can also trigger white smoke when glow plugs fail during startup, and warm-up periods too long. When glow plugs stop working correctly, diesel engines struggle to reach proper combustion temperature during startup. That often creates white smoke until the engine fully warms up. Older trucks and high-mileage engines see this problem more often. Fuel quality matters too. Water contamination inside diesel fuel can create steam that exits as white smoke. Condensation inside the fuel tank is one common source, especially when vehicles sit for long periods. So what should you do if white smoke appears? First, stay calm, but never ignore it. If the smoke is thin and disappears quickly on a cold morning, watch it for the next few days. If it keeps returning or gets worse, schedule professional service soon. Never continue driving with thick, persistent white smoke, especially if it smells sweet. That can mean coolant contamination, and running the engine could cause thousands of dollars in damage. A skilled diesel mechanic will usually begin with a compression test to check cylinder health. They may also test injectors, verify injection timing, and inspect the cooling system for leaks. Modern scan tools can often identify which cylinder is causing trouble. Prevention is always cheaper than repair. Follow your maintenance schedule, change fuel filters on time, and use quality diesel from trusted stations. Avoid excessive idling in cold weather, because it can increase soot buildup and incomplete combustion. Keep your cooling system serviced, and check coolant levels regularly. Pay attention to new smells, rough starts, hard cranking, power loss, or warning lights. Catching a small issue early can prevent major repairs later. White smoke is your engine asking for help. Listen early, act fast, and you can save money and avoid breakdowns. If this helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more diesel tips and fixes. Always keep an eye on exhaust color changes from white to blue or black, because that can reveal different issues. Record when the smoke happens, cold starts, warm idle, hard acceleration, or towing loads. Those details help technicians diagnose problems faster and cheaper. Clean air filters and healthy batteries also support easier starts in winter weather. Do not wait for a no-start situation before getting it checked by a trusted shop today. Small noises, shaking, misfires, or rising temperatures should never be ignored either. Early action protects injectors, turbo parts, and expensive internal engine components from serious wear later on, and future repair bills as well.